Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the Wastegate Actuator, also known as Wastegate Solenoid, on Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. Guys, please do not waste money on parts, tools or diagnostics until you watch that video if you have problems with the Wastegate Actuator Solenoid. It could be simple fix, we'll talk about that, and after that, if you guys into buying replacement parts and tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. For the Wastegate Actuator, also known as Wastegate Solenoid, which fuses and relays we need to check, we'll demonstrate on that generation Volkswagen Tiguan. Things will differ for different years, so make sure you stay until the end. Facing the engine on the right side, this is the driver's side, that's where the main engine fuse box is located. We'll go ahead and open that fuse box and you have a layout like this one here for some models. We'll cover all the years, make sure you stay until the end. But before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So, guys, here what we need to check for 2012 to 2017 year model Volkswagen Tiguan, you have that fuse box layout. Now, let's explain about that and then we'll talk about 2008 to 2011 year model Volkswagen Tiguan as well. Here what we guys need to check. First, we need to check fuse number 16, guys. Some of you may or may not have this one, depending on the year model and configuration. And then you guys need to check fuse number 24. Very important fuse right here. After fuse number 24, we have another fuse, guys, that we need to check specifically. And you are talking about fuse number 23. Very important fuse, guys, that you will need to check. Now, if you have 2008 to 2011 year model Volkswagen Tiguan, the fuse box will differ, guys. It will look similar to this one here and things will be different. We need to check multiple fuses for engine management because there is limited information exactly which one it is. But starting here, you need to check fuse number 10 right here. You need to check fuse number 13, 14 and 15. These fuses here are very important fuses. Then you need to check fuse number 20. Some of you may not have this one. 21, 23 and 24 right here will need to be checked. So those are, guys, the main fuses, okay, that we need to check. You don't have relays. The relay function practically is controlled by the engine computer, guys. So if you still have problems, you may need to check your engine computer fuses and relays. We'll have the video on the channel. But if you want to see, guys, okay, how to test those sensors, we'll have videos on the channel how to do that step by step. We're trying to save you as much money as we can. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.